Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay, the Moto Marauder, back again with another video. It's been a while since I've done a video like this, so this is a new different style. I might not be doing a lot of these in the future, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, you guys see we have the R7 behind us. A few weeks ago I went to a friend's marriage. They got married. Congrats to them. And I was gonna take the bike, but I ended up taking a car, but initially I was gonna take my bike. And basically the very first thing that was on my mind was how was I gonna store my helmet on the bike and not be afraid of it getting stolen and everything when it's parked outside, because I can't really take this inside to the venue, to the hall and all that, because that just seems a bit disrespectful. I was looking online and I found a couple of options that would work. One was a bike lock, a bike to the helmet lock for the bike, and specifically for the R7 there is one online. A lot of people do use it, but it would cost 80 to 90 bucks Canadian. And at the time I was like, I need it immediately and it wouldn't get here in time and I don't want to spend that much money. So I found a couple of different options and I ended up going with one which I haven't done yet, but I'm going to show you guys it because it seems like a good budget option. A lot of you in America most likely already have these on hand. You can get them, I think, for free from a police station, I believe. But it is a gun lock. This one I purchased from a Canadian Tire for about 11 bucks, and a lot of you guys in America, or a lot of you who do own firearms, will most likely have one of these playing around which you don't use. And if you ride bikes, they come in handy as the helmet lock for your bike, and I'm going to show you guys how once I get this open. Alright, so here's the lock. Here's the helmet, here's the lock itself. Simple enough. It's just a cable with a lock, comes with two keys. Right, the color, this was the one that they gave me. I know there were more options, but I bought this online and it just came for a pickup, and this was the one that they gave me, so I was like, fine, it's just a lock that I need. Anyways, easy enough. Grab the key, unlock it. Right, so the thing you want to do is take your helmet from right here. You want to put this through a pillar right there and into your helmet. So just put this through, lock it in, lock it in. See, and there you go, locked in, and no one can take your helmet. So this was a quick and easy little video on a cheap option to lock your helmet in. See, it's locked in place. No one can take your helmet. It may move around. For example, if you see this one, you see this. It may move around like that, but no one's gonna take it. So be careful, you might scratch it up. You may scratch up your bike, but overall it's a quick and easy option instead of spending like 100 bucks on a bike lock for your helmet. Because now, if I'm being honest, the majority of us do carry around our bike helmets along with us wherever we go, into a store and all that. But this is just a quick and easy way to do this, just in case you do need to leave your helmet out. So with that, I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, see ya.